Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to manifest anything in 17 seconds. This is like one of my favorite techniques because I feel like it's super fast and easy. Well, I shouldn't say it's easy because it's not necessarily easy, but it is super fast and I feel like it is one of the most powerful ways to manifest what you want and to manifest something specific in a short amount of time. This technique basically comes from Abraham Hicks. And it's all about getting your manifestation like rolling, getting the ball rolling for your manifestation. And I forget the exact word. I think he calls it the point of combustion, which is when your manifestation like starts to become reality. It's really just a really powerful technique to like kickstart your manifestation. And I feel like anyone can do it. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to set a timer for 17 seconds. And the idea is if you hold a thought for 17 seconds, without thinking of anything else and without having any contradictions to that thought, then basically you're going to manifest that into your reality. And it sounds really simple, but one of the reasons why it can be difficult is because it can be difficult to focus and to just think of one single thing for 17 seconds. So I find that it helps if you're in a really calm and relaxed space, like if your physical surrounding is really calm and relaxing. And it also helps if you're in the right state of mind. So whenever you're trying to manifest something, one of the most powerful thing that you can do is to think about some of the things that you're grateful for beforehand, because then it puts you in a state of gratitude. And whenever you're in a state of gratitude, it is just so much easier for you to manifest, and your manifestations are going to come so much quicker. And it doesn't have to be a state of gratitude. You can be like in a state of relaxation, a state of just calmness. But I find that gratitude is like the most powerful state to be in whenever you're doing any kind of manifestation. It helps to close your eyes, but basically you just have to really focus on the one thing that you want. And of course you have to be really clear and precise with what that thing is. And you have to focus on that for 17 seconds and not think of anything else and not let anything contradict it. So for example, if you're like thinking about manifesting like abundance, let's say you want to manifest like an abundant life, or you want to manifest like money or wealth or whatever, then you can't have any contradictory thoughts like, oh, but I'm broke right now. Oh, but like, how am I going to get that money? Or where is it going to come from? Like, I don't see that opportunity in my life right now. Because if you have those contradicting thoughts, then you're basically blocking your own manifestation, if that makes sense. So you really just have to focus on like the abundance or the wealth that you want to manifest. And whenever you're manifesting, all of these techniques, it's really just to get you to feel how you would feel once you have it, right? So if you're just like thinking about it, but you're not actually like feeling how you would feel once you have it, then it's almost as if like deep down you're not really believing what you're thinking about, because you can't like lie to yourself. And ultimately your feelings don't lie, right? So if you're like thinking about this, you're like abundance, like wealth, but deep down you believe that like you're broke, or you believe that it's hard for you to make money or whatever, and you just don't feel good when you're thinking about this for these 17 seconds, then again, you're just blocking your own manifestation, and it's gonna make it really hard for it to come to you, right? That's why it helps to like be in a relaxed state, to close your eyes, to think about it, and to really like be in a state of either calmness or gratitude, and to focus on feeling abundant. And it can be hard when you don't already have it. So I guess that's like the trick, is to feel it before you actually get it, because that's actually how it works. We always think that once we have something, then we'll feel a certain way. But in order to get that thing, you actually have to feel that way first, and then it'll come to you a lot faster. So yeah, basically set your timer and then really focus on the thing that you want and all of the feelings that would come with that, and just hold that for 17 seconds. Don't think about anything else except the thing that you want. And then once you've done that, actually the trick is to do it 4 times. So some people will do like 17 seconds, like they'll set 17 seconds on their timer and then they'll do that 4 times. Or what you can do, because basically it's supposed to be for 68 seconds actually that you hold the thought for. So you can just set your timer for another 51 seconds and then just continue to hold that thought and that feeling, and just let it like amplify and let the feeling like intensify, and just get deeper into your manifestation. And again, whenever you're manifesting, it really helps to do it in the morning or at night, like right before bed or right when you wake up, because whenever you do that, it just helps magnify your manifestation techniques, because it's going to be easier for you to do that like right before bed or right after you wake up, because you're going to be less distracted by other things. You're going to be in a calmer state of mind. Some people also like to do this like with the full moon because the full moon also like helps magnify your manifestations. So these are just little tips and tricks that you can use. But again, all the tips and tricks and all the techniques, it all boils down to making you channel the feelings that you would have. So it's like really important to truly feel the feelings that you would experience and feel once you have the thing that you want, because that's really how you attract, is by vibrating at the frequency of the things that you want. Okay, that's it for today's little video. I hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what your favorite manifestation technique is down below, and I will see you next time. Bye!